Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a GoDaddy account quickly and easily. So first of all, you have to open your browser on your mobile device and go to www.godaddy.com. This is the official website for GoDaddy and it is where you will create your account. Next, click on the hamburger option which is at the top left corner of the screen. From here, click on the account option. Now this is the sign up page. And if you want to create a new account, click on the option saying create an account. If you prefer, you can sign up using your Google or Facebook account by clicking the respective buttons. It's a quick and easy alternative. But for this tutorial video, I will be clicking on the option of email. Now fill in the required details starting with your email address. This will be your primary login for GoDaddy. Then choose a username and create a strong password. Make sure your password includes a mix of letters, numbers and special characters for security. And once your details are filled, then click the create account button and now you have to click on the option saying send verification code. And in this text box, you have to enter the 6-digit code which will be sent in your email address. And once you have entered the 6-digit code, click on the verify code option. And now you have to fill all the details which are mentioned over here. And that's it. You have successfully created a GoDaddy account. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and also comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.